So I've got a pile of laundry here, right? Well, my work skirt's on the ground here. Hello. Look up here. Hey.
This might be the cutest thing I've ever seen in my life. Oh my god. Look at him.
I don't feel like making a transition. Oh.
Cheddar cheese? There's so much cheese.
Oh, it's okay, it's okay.
It doesn't hurt her, she just is freaking out.
Get in your box. Get in your box. Get in your box. Come here.
Look at all this. Look what you're doing, dude. Get out. Out. That's it. Out. Come on. Come on. Get out.
Watching this crazy shit happen and my cat's just like...
This was around 15 minutes ago or so, and that officer is asking for
What the f*** is happening?
Goo goo gaga. I want milk.
This is the 5th time it's happened and he still doesn't realize. Chonk, this side of the table is not weighted. Watch what happens if I remove the book. God damn it.
He doesn't have a clue what's going on. Michael, you poor sweet thing. You don't have a thought behind those eyes, do you? Come on.
Long live the king.
Do you drink water during the day? No water at all? Okay. All right. And then what are you drinking during the day?
Sodies.
Sodies.
Sody pops.
Can you not? Oh. Look, it's just a slipper. It's just a slipper. Miko, it's okay. Look, it's just a slipper.
Okay, what do you want, huh? Why are you... Do you want me to pet you? Is that what you want? Here, I'll pet you, okay? There you go. Oh my...
Hey! Hey!
Ну что? Ты почему себя так ведешь?
I love to see my mama. Mama. I love my mama. Oh yeah, mama. Oh yeah.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god. What is that?
So this asshole of a cat knocked the container right out of my hand.
And now there's just a complete mess.
Bro, like, I can't walk away or he's just gonna attack me.
New trend. Kiss your pet on the head and see their reaction.
Oh, there's a Mewtwo. Are you guys gonna take turns hissing at each other?
My hands are trained for this little one. You can't defeat me. You are just a baby.
You're supposed to be working, Georgie. Meowbox is not gonna like this. Where's the manager? Where's the manager?
When you're so fat you can't sit like a normal cat.
Are you on the counter? No. You're so bad. It's a very bad thing. You should never go on the counter ever again. And I love you.
Why are you always get into plastic bag? You do not need to do this. Sit on couch, normal kitty style.
I forgot to close the door.
Whoa, 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 whoa.
Tamam geçmiyorum tamam. Does anyone else's cat do this to them? Or is it just my cat?
Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me! Help me!
So what do you want for supper?
Maybe we have Wendy's, Applebee's, Chick-fil-A, Donald's. We could have those. Maybe.
Here we go. Elliot, what's in there? Oh no.
coat today.